chicken lollipops. They are seasoned just right, and we're gonna put them on the smoker. These lollipops are what you call chicken lollipops, seasoned, and they look just like lollipops, don't you? They're gonna make them honey roasted, I think. But other than that, we got them just right, just for you to go over to soulfoodqueen.net and get the recipe and find out how to do these little lollipops. Ain't they pretty? They are so cute. They are cute, 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 cute. You can make them any kind of way you want, but we're just making them smoke and with a good season on them. This is Sandra. I want to tell you thank you for coming to my shorts and go to soulfoodqueen.net and see what you can see over there, and then go soulfoodqueen.net videos, YouTube, and get some recipes over there. This is Sandra. Thank you for coming to my shorts. Don't they look good? Ooh, look at them. All right. Our lollipops barbecue smoked are just right, y'all. Look how they look. They look so good and juicy, like they got that honey on them. Well, I don't know if they got that honey on them, but they sure smell like they got some honey on them. These are very delicious. It's so easy to make. Look at that. Ain't they pretty? I want you to get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net. I'll go to soulfoodqueen.net YouTube and purchase this video and make these lollipop chicken drumettes or drumsticks, or whatever you want to call them, but they are delicious and smell wonderful. I just love the way they come out, and look at that smoke on them. Ain't that perfect? That is a perfect, perfect lollipop. Get these recipes on soulfoodqueen.net or go to soulfoodqueen.video and get these recipes. Thank you for watching.